What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing bone broth protein from the company Paleovalley. Now, if you're not familiar with Paleovalley, Paleovalley is a company that makes grass-fed, pasture-raised bone broth protein powders, whey protein, delicious, some of the best bars, protein bars you'll ever have. They also make jerky and, or they call them beef steaks, but jerky, and other things, supplements, things like that. And today I'm reviewing this because I've had a lot of different bone broths, and if you go to the store and you get the container of the bone broth, even if it's like grass-fed, pasture-raised, things like this, oftentimes that liquid, you don't know what the source of that water is, right? Like what is the quality of that water? And then oftentimes they'll add preservatives and things like caramel and color and natural flavors and just random stuff, even on the grass-fed, pasture-raised bone broth brands. So I saw Paleovalley's bone broth, and the savory original flavor is more of a hearty sort of soup thing that you would use. I mean, you could put it in water. I actually used it in water and did a water fast, but you can use it in soups. I'll share with you the different ways I've used it. But first, let me share with you the ingredients and kind of the overall nutritional profile of this product. So it is bone broth powder, which contains 13 grams per scoop, okay? Of the 17 grams total in the scoop. So the whole the whole scoop is 17 grams, and then the bone broth powder itself is 13 of those 17 grams. Now the other 4 grams of the bone broth is organic carrot, organic medium chain triglyceride powder, or MCT, which is a healthy fat for brain health, as I'm sure many of you know, organic onion, organic tomato, organic black pepper, organic shiitake, which is a mushroom, organic, where was I? Oh, and that's the fruiting body extract, so it's a higher quality, by the way. Organic parsley leaf, organic vegetable blend, including broccoli sprout, onion bulb extract, tomato, broccoli, carrot, spinach, kale, Brussels sprout, and basil. And it's all organic. So you have some sprouts in there, you have, everything's organic, and it just, and it has a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. So it gives you, first of all, grass-fed, 12 grams of protein per scoop, grain-free, rich in collagen, non-GMO, all that kind of stuff. And honestly, it's amazing, just amazing adding it to water. Like I said, I did a water fast with bone broth protein powder to get a little protein in and a little minerals. And it was like every day I looked forward to this cup of savory. It's very savory, and it has like a soup. It's almost like you're having soup. I mean, you just make some hot water in your hot water tea kettle and throw a scoop of this in there, and you're getting, you know, a nice little chunk of protein, a bunch of minerals, a bunch of vitamins, a bunch of antioxidants, and it just tastes amazing. It's like the fastest way to make healthy soup. Additionally, what else I've done with this, and it's so delicious, is when I cook beef, I literally take a scoop of this, and I'll cook beef with like onions or garlic or something like that. And I'll take a scoop of this, and I'll not cook it in the beef itself. I will put the beef on my plate. I'll take a scoop of this, and I'll put that scoop of bone broth protein powder on top of it, like a layer of seasoning. And then it sort of melts in a little bit. And when you eat that, the flavor is just out of this world. So I love the quality of this brand. Paleovalley is top notch when it comes to quality. Their flavors are impeccable, they're incredible. They also have turmeric, ginger, salted caramel, vanilla, chocolate, and a plain unflavored bone broth protein powder as well. So if you just want high quality bone broth protein with no flavor, you can get that powder as well, or you can get the savory, the turmeric ginger. You know, turmeric ginger is also great in the cooler months because it's warming. Turmeric and ginger are both warming and help to boost your circulation. Your circulation is a good thing. So yeah, I love their bone broth protein powder. I love that I'm supporting my gut health with the bone broth protein, or excuse me, with the bone broth, but then additionally getting that protein on top of it just to get more protein in, which we all need for, you know, your joints, ligaments, hair, skin, nails, muscle tissue, everything, right? You need protein, you need amino acids. So this is very bioavailable, and it tastes delicious. And it's honestly the best protein powder I've ever had. I've tried a lot of different brands. I've tried like the kettle one, all the stuff in the boxes. Like nothing compares to the flavor of this bone broth protein. Like literally nothing. The flavor you will experience with this savory is incredible. I've had the chocolate. The chocolate is really good as well. It's more of a dessert style bone broth protein, but this is like more of a meal style bone broth protein. And it's just simply delicious. So It's 15% off right now. Check it out below. I'll link it up in the description. If you want to get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop. I'll put that link below as well. And that will give you access to a bunch of different brands that I've personally vetted along with discount codes. So check that all out in the description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.